everyone, it's Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share 10 must-have products for this summer season. I have some hair care, body care, skin care, everything that really helped me during this hot summer weather. I just wanted to share it with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with body care products first, and this is the first product I want to talk about. This is by Chemist at Play. It's their daily exfoliating body wash, great for all skin types. It has 4% lactic acid, salicylic acid, and vitamin E in it. It gently exfoliates dead skin, smooths rough and bumpy skin. This is perfect for the summer season. I have been using this since a month now. The smell is great and the texture is a little bit different. It's not like the normal body washes that I use. It definitely has very minute grainy texture which slightly exfoliates your skin. Also, it has AHA and BHA that exfoliates your skin, which is perfect for the summer season because majority of the people do wear strappy tops, shorts and everything. तो आप shave भी करते हो और ज़्यादा wax करते हो. So it's very important to make sure that your skin is slightly exfoliated ताकि आपके ingrown hairs ना हो या फिर bumpy texture, strawberry legs and all of that. My skin feels so soft after using this product and it feels moisturized at the same time. So yeah, I've been really loving this product. Another body wash that I've been using alternatively along with the Chemist at Play, it's this one by Plum. I love Plum body washes. They smell so good. This one is their vanilla caramello smelling a body wash. Like, do I need to say anything else? Vanilla and caramel together. My body smells amazing, especially in the summer season. This is something that I look forward to, especially at night when I'm taking a shower. This is what I love using. It smells divine. And another thing that I love about this body wash is that it washes off really well. It does not leave any oily residue. There are some body washes जो काफी ज़्यादा thick होते हैं, and even when you're washing it off, it definitely feels a little bit too moisturizing, and that is something that I do not like, especially in the summer months. So yeah, both of them I really like. If you're interested in getting any of them, you can do so. The last body care product I want to talk about, it's this one by Chemist at Play again. It's their underarm roll-on. I don't know about you guys, but I used to use the Nivea underarm roll-on for the longest time and it's really not good. Actually, majority of the underarm roll-ons out there in the market has chemicals in it, has fragrance in it, and वो directly आप जब skin पे apply करते हो, it's really not good for your skin and for your health in the longer run. So I've stopped using all of that and this is what I've been using. This, on the other hand, it's odor control, which is exactly what I want in the summer months, and it is fragrance free. It also has 5% AHA जो slightly exfoliate करता है, and I know a lot of people have underarm darkness. I have underarm darkness as well. So this really helps with slightly like reducing that darkness. लॉन्गर रन में आप यूज करते रहोगे तो वो स्लाइटली उसको रिड्यूस करता है, एंड आई हैव सीन दैट डिफरेंस पर्सनली एज वेल. एंड ऑल्सो AHA है, तो अगर आप शेव करते हो तो इनग्रोन हेयर्स का प्रॉब्लम, बम्पी टेक्सचर वाला प्रॉब्लम होता ही है अंडर आर्म्स में. दिस हेल्प्स इट विद दैट. एंड ये यूज करके जो भी मुझे फ्रेग्रेंस यूज करना है, डिओड्रेंट जो भी है, वो मैं अपने कपड़ों पे यूज करती हूँ, नॉट डायरेक्टली ऑन माई स्किन. सो दैट्स हाउ आई लाइक टू यूज इट. मूविंग ऑन टू स्किन केयर, द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट्स this milky toner by Faye. Love this product, especially in the summer season जहाँ पर आपको ज़्यादा heavy products apply करना पसंद नहीं है. This is their Hydra Milk. I think this is great for all season, but especially for the summer season because summer season में my skin obviously does not feel extremely dry. It's more on the normal side, and if you feel the same way or if you have oily to normal skin, this is परफेक्ट. एज यू कैन क्लियरली सी काफ़ी ज़्यादा मैंने यूज़ कर लिया है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट वेट टेक्सचर है. इमीडिएटली मेरा स्किन इसको सोक इन कर लेता है. इट डज नॉट फील एक्सट्रीमली heavy or oily or anything like that. It feels very light and absorbs beautifully, and my skin feels supple and hydrated throughout the day. Even though it's summer, I still need something like this on my skin, and then I can just go ahead with my sunscreen. If I don't want to complicate it too much, this toner and sunscreen is something that I use every single day in the morning. So love this product, definitely grab it. Next, I wanted to talk about the sunscreen I am obsessed with this summer. It's by Beauty of Joseon. It's their Relief Sun. This has rice plus probiotics in it. It has SPF 50 PA plus 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 plus. So SPF protection काफी अच्छा है. And the main thing I love about this sunscreen is how well it blends into my skin, instantly absorbs, no white cast whatsoever. Even while you're blending it, there is no white cast whatsoever. It's extremely lightweight on my skin, blends beautifully, and my skin just feels, it does not feel heavy. Especially in the summer season, you don't want anything that feels heavy on your skin. This is the lightest weight kind of a sunscreen that I have used so far. जितने भी मैंने sunscreen use किए हैं, this is definitely at the top. It is a little bit more on the expensive side, I agree, but worth it है यार. अगर आपने कभी try नहीं किया है तो at least एक बार आप try करके देख सकते हो. Yeah, this is something that I've been using every single day and I love it. I just wanted to talk about another sunscreen that I've been using lately. This is by this brand called Asaya, and this has SPF 65 PA triple plus. This is their sheer screen mist. This is their spray wala sunscreen. I was really looking forward to using this on my face. This has UVA, UVB protection, sweat and water resistant. I was really looking forward to using this product, and मैंने already एक spray वाला sunscreen use किया है by 52 sun days. That's like a beautiful sunscreen, great for using it on your face. So I really wanted to try this one as well, but do not use this on your face. It definitely has a oily residue on your face. Even to the touch, it is a little bit on the oily side. So I love using this on my body, especially near the collarbone area, like this neck area, all over my hands and everything. And if you're wearing like a strappy top, just spray the sunscreen. Not only is it gonna protect your skin, this gives a beautiful glow on your body. It literally feels like you're wearing some oil and a highlighter combination जो लोग लगाते हैं, and it gives a beautiful glow. Like, look at that glow on my body. The next product I want to talk about is my go-to detan face mask, especially for the summer season. Tanning होना बहुत ही ज़्यादा common है, so I love using this once a week or once in 2 weeks. This is by Foxtail, by the way. It's their स्किन रेडियंस मास्क. इसमें जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स भी है वो भी काफी अच्छे हैं. दिस हैज अ ब्राजीलियन पर्पल क्ले, kaolin clay, lactic acid. This is great for all skin types, and it cleans your pores and reduces blackheads, improves skin clarity and tone, which I completely agree. If you have slightly bumpy texture near your nose, if you have whiteheads, blackheads, ये काफी हद तक उसे reduce करता है. And the best thing I love about this, you see a visual difference in your skin tone. And if you have tanning, this literally shows up. Like, once you apply this, the before and after, you will see a difference. So I love using this, especially for the summer season, and it just clarifies your skin beautifully. If you have any clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads, just like vanishes. So once in like 2 weeks, I love to give my skin a nice restart. This is something that I've been using quite a lot, especially in the summer season. Moving on to the last category of today's video, which is hair care. And this is the first product I want to talk about. It's by L'Oreal. It's their Absolute Repair shampoo. What a beautiful shampoo. What a beautiful shampoo. I think I've been using this since 2 months now. So proper summer month मैंने ये shampoo use किया है. My scalp feels great after using this shampoo. It just nicely removes all the build up dirt, especially in the summer season. आपका scalp बहुत ज़्यादा oily होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा gunky feel करता है. You feel like using or washing your hair quite often, and this really helps me because my scalp, even though it's dry, summer season mein you just end up feeling very dirty, and this really helps me because it cleans my scalp without over drying it, and it just feels like a nice restart. So yeah, this is what I've been using lately and I'm loving it. Next, I wanted to talk about this styling product. This is by this brand called Squash Puff, and it's their Oasis Extreme Hold Boost. So बीच में मैं कोई और product try out करी थी and you can just feel a difference, and this is the product which I just went back to. The result I get after using this mousse is unlike any other. I love the way my curls feel. It's nice. It gives a nice hold, and the curls, the texture of my curls, the gloss that it has. Love this. Okay, love this. So if you haven't tried it, I would definitely give it a try. And even in the summer season, थोड़ा ज़्यादा humidity होती है, moisture ज़्यादा होता है, but my curls are still rocking after using this product. So yeah, if you want a recommendation for the summer months, you can try. You can give this one a try. I love using this. And the last product I want to talk about is a fragrance for your hair. Now, hear me out. Especially in the summer month, your hair is a little bit more sweaty, a little bit more gross, and your hair can smell, okay? So if you want a refresh and you want something that will make your hair smell good, it's these products. It's by Fix My Curls, and this is their refreshing hair mist. So I have it in all three fragrances that it comes with. First one is Floral Bouquet, and just the as the name suggests, it has a very floral fragrance to it. This is one of my favorite. This is their Crystal Aqua fragrance. It's very similar to Davidoff Cool Water. If you have smelt it, this is very similar. It has a very ocean breeze kind of fragrance, which is my personal favorite. And this is also one of my favorite. It's their Warm Vanilla fragrance. Love all three of them. So all you have to do is just like mix it up, and your hair is gonna smell amazing throughout the day. I feel like hair holds a lot of fragrance and it just stays for a longer period of time, and this is that. You can also use this to kind of like touch up few pieces, like spray it, touch it up and everything. I basically use this as a fragrance for my hair, so my hair smells amazing throughout the day. So yeah, love this. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, Amazon's ultimate brand sale is now live. Shop now to get great discounts on top brands. So सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. I've also put my storefront link जहाँ पर आपको सारे products एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Anywhere you go,